it's Forensics. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got more shit coming ASAP. Look. I heard a lot of tongue about the kid and what he's doing now. Wildin' on the beat, it's crazy. I got a groovy style, saying that I'm basic. Just face it, I'm so amazing. You parallel to my universe while I'm killing like Jason. I'm Friday the 13th. I'm nice, my flow mean. Rapping that quarantine and trapping you in between. Space, I need time. Ain't talking the magazines. The reason that people hating, they didn't follow their dreams. And yeah, everything ain't what it seems. Stop saying fuck it, wait a minute, just think. What if your next decision is something you don't need? You should never underestimate yourself, just believe in. If you hear it from me, then you should do it too. Enjoy life and live it, it's vivid, it's so beautiful. Even though it has drops like a roller coaster, I'm ready for my opponent, me go coda posted. Yeah, I really mean it. Yeah. Every single soul has taught me something I didn't know. Whether it be a ladder to help me up or a rope, cause they wanna see me choke and put it around my neck. But I smoke through the competition like there's nothing left. They're wishing that I diminish as evil was my existence. So distant, I go the distance. The instant that I envision decisions are all affected and followed by consequences. Imprisoned by my intentions, I never show cause I'm restless. I can't sleep, these thoughts make it hard for a person to relax and have dreams. Despite the fact I'm a commodity, trusting the music I'm making, I feel in my arteries. Part of me showing my passion again. I live by the pain, it's a part of me. Yeah, but I didn't need it this time. I'm just fucking dope, but hey, real talk though, subscribe to my channel. I got more shit coming ASAP. It's just a little preview of my next song. I got coming out with a special guest. I'm gonna kill that shit on the real. But if you don't like it, it's all good. Everybody's entitled to their own opinions, but I'm really working though. Yeah. This full runs its whole. Yeah, I really mean that. I got more shit coming though, stay tuned.